Tip number 1. Don't always power up and evolve your highest CP Pokemon. If you have multiple Pokemon of the same species, it might be tempting to just power up the one with the highest CP and transfer the others away. Combat power isn't the only thing you should take into consideration, though. Make sure you appraise your Pokemon and check their moves before deciding which one to dedicate your time to. You might have a super strong combination hiding behind a lower CP. Tip number 2. Use your lucky eggs wisely. When you use the lucky egg item, your experience gain is doubled for the next 30 minutes. You can make the most of this time by waiting until you have a bunch of Pokemon that you're ready to evolve. Use the lucky egg, then evolve them one right after the other to watch your XP skyrocket. This is a good reason to catch a lot of common Pokemon like Pidgey. They're easy to collect lots of candy for and evolve in big batches. Tip number 3. Stay on the move when using incense. In Pokemon GO, the incense item makes more Pokemon spawn around you. But did you know it's actually more efficient to use an incense while you're moving? If you're staying in one spot, incense will only spawn a Pokemon every 5 minutes or so. If you're walking around, a new Pokemon will spawn every 200 meters. Try using one whenever you go for a walk or a bike ride. Just make sure to pay attention to your surroundings and stay safe. Tip 4. Make sure to regularly redeem rewards for defending gyms. If you have a Pokemon or two defending a gym for your team, you can get regular rewards. Open up the shop menu and tap on the shield-shaped icon in the upper right corner. The app will give you coins and Stardust based on how many Pokemon you currently have defending gyms and how long they've been there. Make sure to check every day so that you can get the most coins possible and check in on your brave Pokemon. Tip 5. Scout around your neighborhood for Pokemon nests. Locations like public parks and forest trails are frequently hotspots for certain Pokemon to appear. If you're looking for a specific species, these nests can rotate frequently, so you should visit regularly to see what's spawning there. Steve Cox Memorial Park is almost always full of Pokemon, so come on down and see what you can find. Tip number 6. Use weather to your advantage. It doesn't have to be a clear day to enjoy playing Pokemon GO. Certain Pokemon types award extra Stardust when they're caught in a specific type of weather. You can tap the weather icon on the main screen to see which types are currently offering the bonus. Pokemon moves of these types also get advantage in battles with increased power, so if you're planning to go after a raid with your strongest water type, you might want to wait until it's pouring outside. Tip number 7. Manage your Pokemon storage effectively. You don't have to keep every Pokemon you catch. You can always look at them in your Pokédex. You should only keep Pokemon that are really special to you or strong in battle so that you have plenty of room to catch more Pokemon in the future. Even if a Pokemon isn't very strong, you can always favorite it to make sure that you don't accidentally transfer it away to Professor Willow. Tip number 8. Set up stronger teams using the Battle tab. Trying to decide what Pokemon to use for a raid can be tough, especially when there's a timer ticking down on your choice. But did you know that you can make preset teams using the Battle menu? Simply open up the main menu, go to Battle, and then go to Party. By pressing the plus button under Gyms and Raids, you can select the Pokemon you want on your team and choose to use them later with the press of a button. You can also make pre-made teams for player battle leagues, letting you strategize before battling with your friends. Tip number 9. Play Pokemon GO on long trips. Traveling on vacation or visiting family? Make sure you open up Pokemon GO and see what Pokemon the region has to offer. Some Pokemon are only able to be caught in certain places in the world, and wherever you're traveling probably has different Pokemon than your neighborhood. If you get the chance, you can even make friends and trade with a local. You'll both be awarded with extra candy depending on how far away you are from the home location where your Pokemon was caught. Tip 10. Tired of losing battles? Get an Azumarill. Who would have thought this innocent-looking Pokemon would be so effective? The Aqua Rabbit Pokemon may seem average at first, but it has a few key factors in its favor. Azumarill is both fairy and water type, which results in it having few weaknesses and a lot of resistances. It even has double resistance to dragon type attacks, some of the strongest in the game. Finally, it has excellent charged move options. Ice Beam and Play Rough are both powerful. With the fast move Bubble building up energy quickly, you'll be able to make the most of them too. If your Azumarill doesn't have any of these attacks, you can just use a TM to have them learn it easily.